Good morning, students. So today I am going to solve the next problems of exercise 7.2. See the fourth one. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle B is equal to 40 degree, and angle C is equal to 110 degree. Okay. So all these data belongs to angle triangle ABC. And similarly, in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 30 degree, angle Q is equal to 40 degree, and angle R is equal to 110 degree. So, a student says that triangle ABC congruence to triangle PQR by AAA congruence criterion. Is he justified? Why or why not? So, this is the question, students. This is the fourth question. So, now, so what is the meaning of this question? All of you see here. See, in this question, that is one student, he has two triangles. One is triangle ABC and another triangle PQR. And angle A is equal to 30 and angle P is equal to 30 and angle B is equal to 40 and angle Q is equal to 40, angle C 110 and angle R is 110. So it means the angles of one triangles are similar, correspondingly equal to other triangle angles. So what they are asking here, is it possible for that student or that boy to write congruence as a AAA criterion? So they are asking the question for us, students. So now what is the answer? Let me say for all of you students. Okay. See the answer for this fourth question, students, all of you here. So, what asking here? Two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Is it possible for us to make both these triangles under AAA criterion? Keep in mind, under AAA criterion. But as I explained before, I explained only four types of criterion, but this one not exist because students, see, no, for this question no answer. Why or why not they asking for us question? So for this both these triangle ABC and triangle PQR, both these triangles, they are not congruent under AAA. Because why? All of you see here. Why? Because the two triangles with equal corresponding angles need not be congruent. In such a correspondence, one of them can be enlarged. See here, enlarged copy of the other. See students, to become a congruence, what is the condition? Two figures should be same in size, and this they must same in size. Okay. So congruent objects, they are nothing but they are the exact copies of the one another. Okay. So in such type of condition, what happens? See here, triangle ABC. Let me draw here triangle ABC. Here one angle is how much it is? One angle it is 30 and another one it is 40 and another one it is 110 degree. Okay. So it is the first triangle. Let me draw another one, that is triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. So this is 110 and this is 30 degree and this is 40 degree. See students here. So this is a small in size and this is a bigger in size. So it means both these triangles, they not show the property of AAA criterion here, na students. So therefore here under AAA criterion, both these triangles, they not become a congruence here. So this is the answer for this fourth one, students. So let me solve the fifth one. See the fifth one here. In the figure, the two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. We can write triangle RAT question mark. Triangle RAT congruence question mark. So here, see here, in this triangle, I mean in triangle ART and in triangle 1, WON 1. Okay, and here RAT, okay, or ART. You may take a RAT, rat, or you may take as a ART, art. Okay. So see him. In triangle art and triangle 1, WON. See what happens here. This side, that is AR is equal to, here they marked here. This AR side is equal to this side, that is here also they marked double dots here, and here also they marked double lines here, not dots, double lines here. So it means AR is equal to OW, and next AT is equal to ON. So here you may take any one angle here among R, T, A, you may take any one angle. So here I am going to take a T angle here. Angle T is equal to, see here, angle T is marked how many lines here? 3. And in this angle, in this triangle, they marked N. So here angle T is equal to angle N. So this is one side, this is the second side, and this is a one angle. So it means it is nothing but SAS. Okay, SAS. So therefore triangle ART congruent to triangle WON under which criterion? Under which criterion? SAS criterion. Okay, SAS criteria. Okay, SAS criteria, because SAS criteria. So this is the solution for the 5th one, students. See the 6th problem, students, all of you here complete the congruence statement here. So this 6th question contains total 2 problems. So here I am going to solve the first one, and second one it is homework for all of you, and you have to solve in home. See how to solve this one. So this problem is similar to that of as I solved before. See here in this figure we have 2 types of triangle. One is angle BA, so okay, BAT bat, and one is a BAC. Okay, so in triangle BAT and triangle BAC, in triangle BAT and BAC, see here. So first one, this line, this side equal, that is BC equal to BT. Okay, and next AT is equal to AC is equal to AT. AC is equal to AT, and next BA, it is a common, or AB. BA is equal to BA because it is common. So here we have one side, another side, and third side. It means both these triangles, that is triangle BAT, are congruent to triangle BAT. Okay, triangle BAC and triangle BAC, triangle BAT and triangle BAC, triangle BAT, BAC. Both these are triangle congruence under which criteria? SSS criteria, because SSS criteria. Okay, so this is a solution for the 6th problem, students. So this, as I told before, this question contains total 2 problems. One I solved one, and remaining one, second it is a homework for all of you. Let me solve the 7th one, students. See the 7th problem, students, all of you here. In a squared sheet, draw 2 triangles of equal areas such that, first one, the triangles are congruent, and second, the triangles are not congruent. What can you say about their perimeters? So here we have to do one activity, that is first one, the triangles are, we have to draw 2 triangles in such a way that in the first case we have to draw 2 triangles, they are congruent. In the second case we have to draw 2 triangles, they are not congruent. So after drawing all these figures, we have to say about their perimeter. Okay, what can you say about their perimeter? So how to solve this one? Let me explain how to solve this one, students. Okay, see here, 7th. See, so here I drawn 2 figures. First one, the triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So in this triangle, AB is 5 and BC 4, AC 8. Similarly here also DE 5, EF 4 and DF 8. So here both the triangles, they have equal areas here. So here in the above figure, triangle ABC and triangle DEF have equal areas. So therefore and also triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. So here the measurement of all the sides in first triangle are correspondingly equal other sides other sides of another triangle here. So it means here correspondingly equal each other. So it means here both these triangles, they have equal areas. So in the second case, what happens here, this is the first case. In the second case, what happens here, in triangle LMN, LM is 7 centimeter, MN is 5 and LN is 9 centimeter. And in the second triangle, OP is 4, PQ 8 and OQ, it is a 10 centimeter. So here in the above figure, triangle LMN and OPQ, triangle LM is not congruent to OPQ. See, both these figures, they not look same here. Okay, so it means, so we can also say their perimeters are not same. So it means here both these triangles, they not have same perimeter, they have different perimeters here, students. So this is the answer for the seventh problem. See the eighth problem, students, all of you here. It is a homework and I will give some hints how to solve this one. If triangle ABC and triangle PQ are to be congruent, name one additional pair of corresponding parts. What criterion did you use? See here, students. So in this, angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. See here, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Here two angles become equal and one side BC is equal to RQ or QR. It means, so both these triangles, they congruence on which type of criterion? Two angles and one side. It means it is nothing but ASA criterion. So this is the answer. So this one you have to solve in home, students. Okay. And see the ninth one here. Explain why triangle ABC congruent to angle FED. Why these two triangles become congruent? Because here one side is equal and this angle equal and this angle equal. It means here two angles and one side of one triangle are correspondingly equal to two angles and one side of another triangle. So it means here both these triangles, they are the congruence here, students. So this is the answer for the ninth one. So I hope all of you understood all these problems. So far this chapter finished, students. So tomorrow I am going to start the new chapter. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.